Tell you what, this right here, this right, most people don't know what this is. Triple Nickles, all black unit in World War II. First black paratroopers. Unknown story, almost everyone knows Tuskegee. This right here is a great storyline too.
Let me take a picture.
Broke your camera.
Yep, 555 Parachute Infantry Battalion. Read up on those guys. It's some real stuff. Thanks, guys. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Thanks.
Well.